Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. If you've been following along, in part 1, we dove into some awesome Samsung customizations. In today's video, we are wrapping it up with part 2. Get ready for more than 10 Samsung Galaxy A54 5G customizations, from organizing your apps to optimizing battery life. This final part has everything you need to personalize your phone to perfection. Here's an overview of what we will cover in part 2. 1. Organize your apps with Game Launcher. 2. Update your Samsung apps via Galaxy Store. 3. Speed up the phone by disabling animations. 4. Optimize battery and device care. 5. Manage RAM and memory. 6. Set up Wi-Fi features. 7. Clean up the home screen. 8. Customize wallpapers and styles. 9. Set up fingerprint and face recognition. 10. Set up widgets. So let's begin. Step 1. Organize your apps with Game Launcher. Move games into Game Launcher. Open Game Launcher. Add your games, and then add Game Launcher to your home screen for easy access. This will keep your app screen clutter-free while giving you a dedicated space for all your games. Now that your games are sorted, let's update your Samsung apps. Step 2. Update your Samsung apps via Galaxy Store. Update Galaxy Store. Open the Galaxy Store. Look for any available updates. You'll see an update prompt. Install any updates for Samsung apps to ensure they're up to date. Updating apps is always a good idea. Now let's speed up your phone. Step 3. Speed up the phone by disabling animations. Enable developer options. Go to Settings, About Phone. Then tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options. Reduce animations. Go to Settings, Developer Options. Find Window Transition Scale, Animator Duration Scale, and Simulate Secondary Display. Set each to 0.5x for faster transitions without completely turning off animations, which could disable some features. Your phone should feel a lot faster now. Let's move on to optimizing your battery. Step 4. Optimize battery and device care. Turn on Auto Optimization. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care. Toggle Auto Optimization to automatically restart and refresh your phone when you are not using it. Enable Adaptive Battery. In Battery Settings, enable Adaptive Battery for energy saving when you are not using the phone intensively. Adjust Power Setting. Optionally, go into More Battery Settings and enable Power Saving Mode. This may not be necessary with the A54's great battery performance. Battery optimization complete. Let's manage the RAM and memory next. Step number 5. Manage RAM and memory. Configure RAM Plus. Go to Settings, Battery Device Care, Memory. Choose whether you want to add 2 GB, 4 GB, or 6 GB of internal storage as virtual RAM or turn it off. Your phone will now be optimized for memory. Let's look at Wi-Fi features. Step 6. Set up Wi-Fi features. Enable Intelligent Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Tap the 3 dots, top right, and select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi on or off automatically to automatically connect to familiar networks, example, home or office. Enable Auto Hotspot. In Wi-Fi settings, enable Auto Hotspot to share your mobile data with other devices like family phones. Now your Wi-Fi is optimized. Let's clean up the home screen next. Step number 7. Clean up the home screen. Increase grid size. Press and hold an empty space on the home screen. Go to Home Screen Settings, Grid, and set it to 5x6 for more space on your screen. Organize apps. After adjusting the grid size, sort apps in alphabetical order by tapping Sort in the app screen settings. Your home screen is now cleaner and more organized. Now let's customize your wallpapers and styles. Step number 8. Customize wallpapers and styles. Dynamic Lock Screen. Go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style, Lock Screen, and enable Dynamic Lock Screen. You can select categories like Art and Special to change your wallpaper every time you unlock your phone. Your lock screen will always look fresh. Let's move on to biometric security. Step 9. Set up fingerprint and face recognition. Enable fingerprint unlock. Go to Settings, Biometrics and Security. Fingerprint recognition. Set up your fingerprint for quick unlocking. Enable face recognition. In biometric settings, enable face recognition and set it up to unlock the phone with your face. Other options. In face recognition, you can also add another appearance like wearing glasses or a hat to improve recognition in different situations. Security is all set. Let's wrap up with some widgets. Step number 10. Set up widgets. Add useful widget. Press and hold the home screen, then choose widgets. Add useful widgets like battery widget to see the battery levels of connected devices like Galaxy Buds or a Galaxy Watch. And there you have it. You have just unlocked 10 awesome Samsung customizations to make your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G even more powerful. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you into the next one. Till then, stay safe, my friends. Bye for now.